Austin's
You might.
new toys.
Yeah.
Look at that thing. I've never even seen a 6-jaw chuck. I think he's kind of going overboard. Bigger. Another. He's had this lathe like a couple weeks. And he just. He's got his like quick change tools. He's got all these bits. Got all this stuff. Overboard. And look at this. He's already making tools. I didn't tell you this is a Austin-made tool. Because these aren't good enough, so Austin has to make his own. Oh.
Yeah, to do that, I used a new one. Yeah, you saw this one. This is the one that I made those pucks with. This guy.
Why isn't he dished out?
What do you mean?
Like these are dished out?
Because it has no scrolls don't.
Scrolls don't?
Yeah, because you got a big gear in here.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a scroll chuck. So you spin this one and all of them move because there's a big.
Oh, okay, and these ones are not scroll chucks. So you have to hide each individual one.
Yeah.
Man, that's a love-hate relationship right there.
Yeah, what's great about these?
So what are these called?
Independent 4-jaws.
Independent 4-jaws.
Yeah.
And these are scrolls. What's your 6?
Scroll. Yeah. But yeah, these are for that that trailer out there. But,
wow, those are cool looking. Did you sand them afterwards?
No, that's just
straight
machine.
off. Oh yeah, I see the machine marks.
Mm-hmm.
Well, those are cool looking. It's like hockey puck on steroids.
Mm-hmm. Expensive hockey puck. Which I don't know what hockey pucks cost. They might be high. But yeah, I was pretty happy with this guy. He seemed to do pretty good.
Good.
Look at the jaws are black. Isn't that interesting? Some kind of hard coating probably.
Yeah. Blackish blue.
Mm-hmm.
So.
But yeah, these have a big gear in there.
So if you would have bought all this new, that thing and all this, just rough estimate.
New?
Yeah,
it's like $20,000
worth of stuff.
Yeah. Well, I mean, this guy's 2. This one's 15. The one in the chuck is 15, and the lathe is 10. And then, I've been buying all these bits. Of course, we've been buying this stuff new.
Yeah, bits new.
500 there. 80 there. It adds up.
What do you like better, a scroll or an independent?
These aren't as accurate. That's why
Oh.
The smaller you get, the more accurate they are. The more expensive they are, the more accurate they are. This one is pretty good. I've not mic'd it to see how good it is, but these are supposed to be within like half a thou when you go.
How would you mic it?
Dial. You put something in there and spin it.
Oh.
4-jaw, you can adjust it.
Yeah.
So you can get it to the.
Yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
perfect.
Gnat's ass.
Mm-hmm. And you can hold on to odd stuff.
Hair on the gnat's ass.
Mm-hmm. But like making a handle, it doesn't matter if it's half a thou, 1 thou. It really doesn't matter. But it just depends what you're trying to do. So that's like a true machinist. They say their favorite chuck is the 4, which I could see why, because you can hold on to everything, and you can get it perfect. It just takes time. Whereas this one, it's just
Independent 4.
Just
yeah, because that's how all mine are scrolls.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. But yeah, it's supposedly what you pay for, buying these more expensive ones. A lot more accurate than the Chinesium ones.
Nothing wrong with Chinesium. You just have to know how to use it.
Just depends what you're trying to make. If you're trying to make, parts that don't really matter, or NASA level.
NASA level, playing with weapons grade titanium.
Finally got my gear shifter. That was broke. Makes it where you can't accidentally go from 2 feeds. You have to go over and down.
Oh wow!
Yeah, so you can't accidentally go go from cross feed to front and back feed.
You have multi-axis feeds.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is a feed and this is a feed.
Well, I mean, you have auto feed though, right?
Yeah, that's what this is. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But having it like that, you can accidentally go too far and then.
Fuck that up.
Yeah, it'd be bad. But yeah, I've been learning a lot about just playing with it. This is how you control the feed. These 4.
Yeah, I'm jelly.
5. But the faster you go, you have to slow it down. And
Depending on what metal.
Yeah, and you know, I've made some really good finishes, you know, playing around with it, and sometimes I don't really
Shattered.
care. Yeah.
Just a rough part.
Mm-hmm.
Biggest chuck in the world, and you're trying to cut the smallest thing in the world, just a little hole.
The smallest chuck I have.
Oh, smallest chuck you have.
Work.
Yeah, it looks close. It'll
You'll straighten it out.
Yeah, it'll straighten herself out.
1,000 RPMs.
Go with D7 and 9-2.
92. I'm thinking.
What do you got? A3?
I think in pretty slow. See what
You thinking pretty slow?
Yeah. I don't know. I'll go super slow and see what it does. It's making the bit move around. May like to go faster. I don't know.
How much did you need to take off?
I'm not really sure.
I think you're
Amount.
I think you're good. Because you only need it.
I haven't gone in very far. I go more than that.
Yeah. Hog it out.
See how the whole thing is
Yeah.
walking? Funny how it's walking like that. It's not rigid enough. It is sticking out there a long ways though. I think that's good. Maybe?
Yeah, that's good. Might have to, it's got a big burr on the back.
Yeah. Take this chuck apart. It wasn't one that worked very well. It's got a lot of aluminum bits in it.
Oh, is it a... It's a, whatchamacallit? Can't remember the word we used.
Stainless washer.
No, what's inside the chuck?
Hello? Oh yeah. Yeah, everything went fine. Yeah, it wasn't so bad if your front entry was a little wider there close to the road. It's hard to get that trailer to turn that sharp. But yeah, because it doesn't really, you know, it stays pretty narrow. It doesn't widen out like most driveways. Yeah, that's what we did, but it was tight on that trailer. Put in a bind.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,